Got old rotten windows but don't have the budget for overpriced replacements? Are you being told that vinyl windows don't last? At Ardmor, we have tested many window manufacturers and found one that always comes out on top: Advanced Windows. Manufactured since 1995 and tested in the most extreme climate of Chicago, warranted for lifetime, and built to stand the testament of time. These Windy City windows are extremely energy efficient and a lot more durable to harsh weather conditions than just any vinyl window. Plus, every window is stamped with a unique serial number, like a vehicle VIN. Upgrade your home with the best premium vinyl windows on the market. Contact us today for a free quote on Advanced Windows installed exclusively by Ardmor Windows or other premium brands such as Anderson, Marvin, UPVC Ocnoplast Windows.